how to mount the universal pistol rest from MESHPRO. Start by carefully reading the user manual and use only the included tools to avoid damaging the rest. Everything you need to mount the rest is included in the package. First step, loosen the 2 screws of the palm rest and place 1 spacer washer per screw between the palm rest and the grip. Lightly tighten both screws so the palm rest remains movable. Now let's move on to mounting the rest. Guide the steel cable between the grip and the palm rest. Make sure it sits on top of the spacer washers. Adjust the position of the palm rest to fit your hand, then tighten both screws firmly. Move the rest so that the steel cable is as short as possible at the front. Now gradually tighten the ratchet screw of the rest. The clicking sound indicates that the screw is being tightened. With the included screws, you can adjust the height and angle of the grip on the rest. And that's it. Happy shooting! Visit our website for more information about our grips and accessories.